So this question says two ships leave a port sailing at 17 kilometers an hour and 21 kilometers an hour. The angle between their directions of travel from port is 38 degrees. How far apart are the ships after 2 hours? Okay, well, so let's say here's our port. So, oh boy. One goes, let's say, this way, the other goes this way, with an angle of 38 degrees in between. Now, if they're going 17 kilometers an hour and 21 kilometers an hour, after 2 hours, their distance they've traveled will be 34 kilometers or 42 kilometers. Oops. Okay, we're just going to multiply their speeds by 2 to figure out how far they've gone. Now the question is, how far apart are they? Well, notice that I do not have the angle side pair that I would need to use the sine law, so this must be the cosine law. So x is going to equal, now eventually I'm going to do the square root here, but it'll be 34 squared plus 42 squared minus 2 times 34 times 42, and then multiplied by the cosine of the angle in between them, so that 38 degrees. So then I'll put the square root over the whole thing. And I've recommended this before, and I'm going to kind of stick by it here. I really do recommend that you do this all in one step on the calculator to avoid a very, very predictable mistake that pops up when people do this. Oftentimes that cosine of 38 gets inadvertently connected with the wrong set of numbers there by accident. So, but if you put it all in your calculator in one step, most calculators will understand exactly what you mean. And after I've plugged that in, I'm going to get 25 to the nearest tenth is going to be 0.9 kilometers. And that's what we're looking for.